Hi, so I'm Nigar, co-founder at Portmanat. With Portmanat, we're bringing mobile and online payments to the CIS region. The problem that Portmanat solves, emerging markets, as is CIS region as well, demand online and alternative online and mobile payment methods, as banking systems in these markets are weak and the plastic card penetration is quite low. Therefore, to address this issue, we have developed Azerbaijan and we have started the implementation with Azerbaijan. Portmanat is an electronic payment service developed for masses to make daily micropayments using their web and mobile devices. Well, this is our traction. In Azerbaijan, we have doubled the transaction volume in a year to reach $2 million transaction volume. We have more than 100 merchants that are already integrated to our platform, and we have 20,000 registered users. Also, we have about the same number unregistered users. The Azerbaijani micropayments market is $8 billion a year market with potential of 3 million users. The major revenue stream at Portmanat is the commission fee charged on merchants, and it varies up to 15% depending on the nature of the market, of the merchant. The team is predominantly from financial and technological backgrounds, and we have more than 10 years experience in founding and development of telecommunication-based businesses. So with Portmanat, our goal is to transfer the wallet in your pocket to your mobile phone. And to do that, we're planning to do that through NFC and DOV technology, data over voice technology that is available to use with virtually every phone ever produced. And to do that, we are raising money of $500,000 US dollars. That's it. Thank you.
You skipped some slides. Yeah, competitive advantage slide. I wanted to see that.
Yep. I had time, right?
A little bit, but my first thing, even if you have the time, don't do Azerbaijan, make them dollars.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Don't do
Right.
forecasting. Just don't, don't do forecasting. It's all past tense.
It's the same as dollars, the US dollars.
You can get rid of this because this is future.
Okay.
And then
Stay more on the competitive advantage. Yeah. I think that, I mean, what's really interesting for me when I read this, because I come from financial services, is the contactless mobile payments and the non-banked market. And if you're bringing something new to that, some new piece of technology to that, then I want to understand that more. It seems like you're doing a good job marketing with your attraction slide. Somehow your slides need a lot of like freshening up, like wowing up somehow. They're kind of bland. But I think you've got some good content to work with, I guess. You did a good job presenting. You did a good start. So I think you're like on the verge of being there, kind of.
Okay.
Yeah, do you have a friend who's sort of savvy in design?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
I would invite her over, him or her over tonight and buy them a pizza. And just, I think that's the main issue. Like he said, I think...
design.
I think there's like some really good stuff here. One thing I wasn't clear is, are you doing primarily remittances? Are you like a remittance company?
Remittance is transfer.
Like sending back to the home country from immigrants?
No, we do actually online payments. So you do the payments, but you can also transfer, P2P transfers.
Okay, so and where are most of these like transactions sourcing?
Right now it's inside the country, in Azerbaijan.
All right, you already understand all this. Like what are people buying using your service?
Making online payments, like from utilities to online gaming. Also, you can pay your internet, TV, cable providers. I don't know. There are hundreds of online sites that monetize through Portmanat. For example, you create a service, but there is no penetration of plastic cards. So the person cannot make an online payment.
Got it.
So
Okay.
alternative is us.
And see, that like information is very, very helpful for me who doesn't have a background in financial industry. So having just like one use case mentioned, and then just like this one in particular, I mean, it's a circle, so I have no idea where to like, how to parse this.
I have,
Yeah, right.
yeah?
That itself could be only one slide, maybe.
Yeah, I think it should be one.
Really? Okay.
And if you show the growth like the other guys did, like, we were here, now we're here.
So it's the right time for this. So in terms of the case study, one thing you could do, I mean, mobile money and e-wallets are blowing up. So Africa is unbanked. So 60% of Kenya's like spending goes through mobile wallets now. It's crazy. M-Pesa there is blowing up. So I see you bringing that technology to the unbanked in the CIS region of the world, right? Make that comparison. People know it's mobile money transactions and e-wallets are blowing up in other unbanked areas of the world, and you're saying it's not being served in this area of the world.
Yeah.
So just educate that, like claim to be like, hey, this is happening in other parts, but we have the same problem here, and we're building the solution to build that. I like your company a lot, but I do think that in the presentation you can just be, you can even change your intro to be that.
Okay.
Like, you've heard about mobile money taking over Africa, but do you know that we are just as unbanked in Azerbaijan, and this is what we've built, and now we're doing $2 million of annual transaction value. I would just do the intro like that, if I were you. The two most exciting things, which is the market trend in general, and 2 million annual GMV, doubling year over year.
Okay.
And sweetheart, the pizza. You're lovely. I would even, if you can't do it, take out everything and just put numbers on the slides.
Okay.
And you're lovely. You can control the stage without design if you must. For my own presentation, go minimal because I'm not a designer either. So you can do either or. You either need to take out the diagrams and go super minimal, or you need to hire a friend to do the design. Either one of those.
All right.
To be developed, it's not
Don't put it. I agree. And then seriously, a slide with just 2 million annual, doubling year over year alone. Put that text in the middle of an empty slide.
Should I take off the services?
Yes,
Totally,
yes.
and just leave the traction?
You mentioned the problem, and in the problem we already understand what it's going.
Yeah.
And then you can mention what you just said. This problem is not also here. It was in Africa. They sold it with e-wallets. Guess what? We sold it with e-wallets. We sold it with this. By the way, our growth rate for 100 merchants from 0 to 100 in 6 months, from $0 million to $2 million in 9 months, from zero registered users to 20 users. It's like, it's all going, okay, I'm paying attention.
Okay.
You already sold out.
Yeah, you don't need the diagrams. I agree. You could just do a series of simple slides with one graph or one number on each slide, and that will work much better.
Okay.
Okay?
How long have you been doing this? When did you
Since 2013.
I wouldn't say that. Just because, yeah, we did this because it's only about 10% growth month over month if you do that. But I would say you're doubling year over year, and you're now ready to speed up or something. So maybe not put direct. We had a meeting yesterday, so yeah, that's how I know. Okay, thanks. Look forward to seeing it.
Thank you.